أصحابي الحلوين، يلا بينا نعرف ال sound of the letters. A, it's a sound and. B, it's a sound ball. C, it's a sound corn. D, it's a sound dog. E, it's a sound egg. F, it's a sound flower. G, it's a sound grapes. H, it's a sound horse. I, it's a sound iguana. Iguana. J, it's a sound jam. K, it's a sound key. L, it's a sound lion. M, it's a sound monkey. N, it's a sound nest. O, it's a sound orange. P, it's a sound panda. Q, it's a sound queen. R, it's a sound rabbit. S, it's a sound sun. T, it's a sound tree. U, it's a sound umbrella. V, it's a sound van. W, it's a sound window. X, it's a sound X-ray. Y, it's a sound yo-yo. Z, it's a sound zoo. Goodbye يا أصحابي، مع السلامة.